Hello everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. And yes, this is the continuation of my unwrapping video. So, and they're still all here. We are just going to unwrap all of them. So we are going to unwrap this one, next one. Yeah, I feel like I am not in a mood to do video because it's just too hot out here. That's why. Can you tell my voice? not not my regular voice, huh? Not so energetic, but I'm still alright. I actually have headache already. Yeah, whenever it's so hot I get headache. So it's starting to trigger again. Yesterday and the day before yesterday I got bad headache. So the sheath there, I can see it. It's translucent. So it has a lot of growth, possible growth there. So anyway, let's just put it at the back as well and do this one. So this one doesn't have, but maybe it doesn't have a sheath yet. Maybe this one will gonna give us a sheath. We will see. Hey cousin, interesting hobby chat. It's sheath, huh? Watch yourself. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, if you could also subscribe and support my cousin's channel. It's interesting hobby chat. She has a lot of hobbies like me. I have a lot of hobbies, and she's such a good she's so good in drawing. Yep. She draw me a peacock. I call it Ibang Adarna. It's a peacock. She draw me and it's so pretty. So this is so good, and I can see a lot of potential growth right here as well. See, there's one here, and I'm sure there's more here, but I don't want to remove this yet. So I don't want to remove that yet, so I'm just gonna put it there. And we are going to look at this. It's already trying to open. It smells yummy. It smells good. I can smell how good it is. But oops, I forgot to put the name tag. I told you myself, do not forget. Okay, let's take that off first. So like I said, I am so happy I don't have a Cymbidium and Oncidium here, because you cannot grow those here in my place. I have a lot of problem growing them. I've been trying though to grow those orchids, but whenever summer comes, they survive winter, but they cannot survive summer. So that's why I asked husband if he could give a note, if he can give note to Carmelis Orchids to not put a Oncidium on in my purchase this time, because husband is the one always purchase, always buy. So because it serves as his gift for me, that's why he's the one always buy it, even though I'm the one who asked him. because he said I have to tell him what I want because he doesn't know what I want. So this is, look, it has these. I hope this would not rot because it's kind of rotting. This is just so beautiful. It's so fluffy, it's so big, and look how big the the flower is. I am so happy with these orchids. Actually, this is my very first orchid haul from Carmela that has a lot of pretty flowers. So let's do this one. This one doesn't have a spike yet, but I'm sure it's going to give us very soon, because that other one, the first one that we unwrapped, it's just like this. So for sure this one we're gonna give very soon as well. Anyway, so I have 21 more orchids added in my collection, and all right, I actually only ask husband to get me orchids from Carmela once a year. Oh, look at these honeybee. Hey, why did you poop on me? Come on now, honeybee. That honeybee is so rude. It pooped on me. It shoot a poop. Crazy honeybee. I don't know why it shoot a poop. I will research later. That way next time I know why. Crazy honeybee. But look, I have a growth right there. I think it's a growth. No. Oh yeah, it's a growth right there. And yeah, it's a beautiful one. So I love it. Okay. Let's do this one. Okay, let's pull all of these ones that are not yet unwrapped and put these at the back. All right. Okay, so this is the next one. Oh, this is the one that I am going to talk to Rick and ask him how to grow this one. We will see what's his recommendation. I don't know if Rick has this type of orchids though, but I'm sure he knew what to do. Okay, so what's the name? Prosthecia. This is the one I keep laughing earlier when I was shooting video. But yes, it's so pretty. I like it. I think when we were child, my mom has these. I think my brother actually is the one that bought that orchids and gave it to mom, and it's so beautiful, and it has a yellow flower. So maybe this has a yellow flower. I will research later if what kind of flower it has, but this is Prosthecia chakensis. Hinsan, stop laughing. Interesting hobby chat. Stop laughing. I know you're laughing at me. That cousin of mine, she's so crazy. I can see you laughing at me, cousin. Interesting hobby chat. Stop it. So anyway, Oh yes. Okay, you get it. Oh yes. It doesn't need repot as well because look, the pot is too big for her to being repotted. So I'm not going to repot this one yet because look, this pot is so huge. It doesn't need a repot. So you're staying here. It just need a soaking from the solution that I got. And all right, we got this one. This one really need a repot. I will definitely going to tear this nursery pot so I don't hurt these. These are spike, if you can see. I don't know if it's already, I don't know, but it's squished there, so I think I'm going to repot it today. So this is Stanhope, and there's another one, last one to unwrap. Yep, that's my Stanhope, and this is the last one we need to unwrap. Oh, I don't need to take that off. Yeah, like I said from my previous video, from the unwrapping unboxing video, I used to have one Stanhope years ago. It was a really big one, but I really don't know what happened to it. It's all of a sudden died. Yeah, but I am thinking maybe it was eaten with the slugs, because now I know why my orchids are dying even though it's growing season, because of the slugs. I have a lot of blue slugs in my property, in my yard, all over, actually all over the place. So, and ta-da, this is so beautiful. Look how many growth I'm gonna have. 1 2 3 4. I actually have another one here, so 5. I have 5 growth. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm off the camera, but yeah, I have 3 1 2 3 4 and 5. Oh, where's the 5th? 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, 5. So that's all for this video, my dear friends. So that's all my unwrapping video. I am so happy I got these orchids, and I am also so happy I got you there supporting my channel. I would like to shout out Bless Mac, Sissy Bless Mac Vlog. Thank you so much for always being there, supporting my videos. You never failed to watch my video. You always sent me message, hey Cecily, I'm done watching your video. Your plant is so beautiful. You always say something nice, and I really appreciate what you do, and of course your support all the time. And so if you could please subscribe to Bless Mac Vlog as well. She's such a very supportive friend of mine. And so I think we are going to mosquito. We are going to end this video here, and like I said, I am going to repot this today. I am going to repot this today because of these. If this spike, if this flower still alive, there's a big chance I'm gonna save it. Even these ones here. So I am actually very moved by this one. to repot this, because if this still savable, I'm gonna save it. But if not, it's alright. I have another one here. It's trying to survive. So, and there's more right there for sure. This orchid, actually, the Stanhope, this normally shoot a flower toward the bottom, at the bottom. So that's why they cannot shoot a flower at the top. So that's why I'm going to use a pot. I actually have here the small one. Ouch. I have here the small one, but I think I really need to put that in a little bigger pot. So I am going to get the pot that my husband made for me years ago, and I'm going to use that for my Stanhope. So that's all for today's video, my dear friends. I'll see you on my next one on repotting my Stanhope. Bye.